Hello, wherever you are. Bear with me the condition of the camera right now as I take you through something which is just fresh. It's a breaking news which has just come in from. It indicates that Acholi Parliamentary Group has instituted new office bearers as the term for the first team in the 11th Parliament expired. According to Honorable Anya Gilbert, the Kilak South MP, the new office bearers were instituted through consensus from a meeting convened by the Secretary General, Honorable Court John Hamos, who is the Member of Parliament of Agagu North County. And these positions that have just come in include, without wasting your time, the first person is chairman of the Acholi Parliamentary Group is Honorable Court Amos. Another position is vice chairperson is Honorable Aul Beto Chan. And then we have Secretary General is Honorable Gilbert Lanya. Then Deputy Secretary General is Honorable Negalit Dennis Amere. Then Secretary Public Publicity or the spokesperson. Secretary Publicity is also called the spokesperson according to the administrative system of the Acholi Parliamentary Group. As I said, bear with the camera condition right now. It's not okay right now, but the most important thing right now is the information. Is Honorable Wakrai Simon. Then Deputy Secretary Publicity is Honorable Jock Andrew Olanya, who is the son to Jacob Olanya. Then the Treasurer General, the person who keeps the money or is in charge of keeping the money of Acholi Parliamentary Group, is Honorable Achan Judith Peace, the trusted her mother. Then Deputy Treasurer, Honorable Komakai Christopher, will assist Achan Judith Peace. The advisor is Honorable Santa Court, who hails from Pade, a very famous person. Then Parish Development Model Coordinator is Honorable again David. Wow. We also have position for Parish Development Model Coordinator. That's something to talk about. It's non-political to talk about it, but something that we will talk about it later. That in the Acholi Parliamentary Group, we have a position called PDM Coordinator. Something fishy. It's being taken by the great Honorable again David Atoa, who hails from Gago District and the Member of Parliament of Gago County. And some people refer to call it Gago South, but that's not the case. Secretary for Lands and Investments, we have Honorable Okian P. Pujara. Coordinator for Budget and Planning, we have Honorable Abe Lilian. Well, that's congratulations. Then PRDP Stroke Nuts, Stroke Nusaf, Honorable Tony Awan. Then Civil Society, which is the second last, Civil Society and NGO, the person who is in charge is Honorable Court Peter. And also, lastly, Health and Education, the person who is in charge is Honorable Balmoy Sharon. Now, this has come to the hand of the names of the new office bearers which have just instituted. Stay subscribed as we will talk about this later, and also we will bring a technical person to explain the limits and the powers held by Acholi Parliamentary Group as things are already getting serious. For now, if you are actually in Uganda or South Sudan, I tell you, have a good night. Or if you will still enjoy some few hours, I can tell you, please have a nice time. And to those who are from abroad, those in diaspora, whatever time you are, have a nice time. As I had requested earlier, the camera is not good right now. And the only thing I can say, thank you for bearing. Bye-bye.